If you have a website, you can learn a lot about your online audience using Google Analytics. I'm Carolyn James from Website Insights. In my articles and videos, I show you how to use data to make online marketing decisions confidently. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find out whether Google Analytics is installed on your website using a Chrome extension called Tag Assistant. Tag Assistant is a Chrome extension. You can easily find it on Google. Make sure you're using the Chrome browser and install the extension by clicking on Add to Chrome. Once you've done that, you're going to open your website in Chrome. You'll see the Tag Assistant icon here beside the address bar. When you click it for the first time, accept the settings, then click Enable. Refresh your page, click the icon again, and Tag Assistant will tell you if Google Analytics is installed. So if you found that it is installed, the login will be a Google account, and you might know what that's likely to be. So when you're logged in with that account, type analytics.google.com into the browser address bar. And with any luck, you'll log straight into your Google Analytics account. If you found that it wasn't installed, you could either install it yourself. I have another video for this, there's a link in the comments, or you could ask your web developer or analytics specialist to set it up for you. If it is installed but you don't know the login details, you're going to have to try to find the person who set it up for you initially. But if this draws a blank, don't worry, there are other ways around this. Thanks for watching. If, after using Tag Assistant, you found that Google Analytics was not installed on your website, then the next video will help you. I'm going to show you how to create an account and get the Google Analytics tracking code snippet that you can then put on your website.